今日はというか今夜は日本からはるばる来ました。本当にこの2人を見ると嬉しく思います。ミシェルもジョイさんのところでフィリピンの懐かしいなんか料理を食べて嬉しいって言って帰ったということでございました。ね、美味しかったですか、あの時の料理は。またね、夫婦仲良く美味しい料理を旦那さんに作ってやってください。末永い幸せを。本日はおめでとう。
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you once again, though we cannot comprehend the language, but I think it's the message of love and inspiration.
She can
translate. Okay.
Hindi, sinabi niya, masaya din. Ngayon kasi siya dumating, kaya masaya din daw siya. Kasi at that time na nagtatrabaho pa ako sa Japan, sila kasi yung palagi kong kasama, si Ate Joy. Kaya masaya daw siya na ngayon daw. Kasi best friend niya to, na mas magkasama daw kami.
Palakpakan natin. That's very well said.
Tsaka, good evening daw sa lahat.
Okay, good evening to sir. Nice
Thank
meeting you here.
Michelle, for translating to us. Sino kayong pwede mo tawagin para mabigyan ng message sa iyo? Yung, ano po muna? Huwag na lang po yung kaibigan. Friends ni Joy. One of the best friends of Joy. Who could give at least message? At tapos na si Ate Michelle. Okay, let's move on to the father of our bride to give his message.
Evening sa lahat. Lobo, love my daughter. Respect each other. Trust in you love us. Michelle, love Lobo very much. I love Lobo.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming. Salamat kayo mo. Yakaan good news. To my daughter Michelle, I love you both of you, Nobu and Michelle. Michelle, mali mo sa Nobu. Ha? Sana bigyan mo na ako na. Anak ko.
I think the friend of Nobo will give also his message.
今日はノーカスコンミシェルさん、おめでとうございます。ミシェルさんも日本に来られて頑張ってください。お願いします。ありがとうございます。
Also, I would like to ask the Mrs. to translate, the interpreter, to interpret. Would you like to say something? We can understand.
Good evening daw to everybody and congratulations sa aming dalawa. Tsaka sana, nakasan ko din ang loob ko na at least na lang makapunta rin daw ako sa Japan.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Last part of our program is the message of our newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Kyoto. Sa inyong dalawa. Because they're still listening, our visitors are still listening to your message.
今日はどうもありがとうございます。こんなにたくさんの人が、私たちの結婚に来てもらい、本当にありがとうございました。Thank you. これから一生懸命2人で頑張っていきましょう。
Maraming maraming salamat. Tsaka sa aming dalawa, sabi niya, kahit ano man daw mangyari, basta dapat daw nakasan namin yung dalawa yung loob namin. No matter how odds may come, ganun pa rin nakasan namin yung loob.
Palapakan natin sila. We would like to request the newlywed couple to please rise. Tayo po kayo. Patunugin natin ulit. Tayo po.
Patunugin natin ulit yung ating Okay, true the death.
True.
True the death. Okay, once again.
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Palapakan natin sila.